Ọma, you must choose how to hold power. May the gods be with you.
Balance is inefficiency.
Then we will be inefficient.
You've surpassed me.
I carried you.
KD Nation Stories. Stay tuned.